Hey everyone, welcome to Three Dogs and an RV. My name is Stuart.
Melissa.
And we are coming to you live from, where are we at today, Missy?
The outlet mall that's not really an outlet mall.
In Crossville, Tennessee.
Yes.
And we're going to do another restaurant review video. And today we're going to, how do you pronounce it? Abuela? We'll have to get the right pronunciation of the restaurant name when we get inside. But it has, we found this place the other day when we were kind of wandering around the mall here. And we had went in there for cafe con leche.
Yep.
And they have Cuban food, so we said we're gonna come back on Friday. Today's Friday. We're gonna come back and have dinner here, and see what kind of Cuban cuisine. Now, what's unique about this place, Missy? What do you tell us a bit about what you found out about the place when we were here last?
I'm trying to think what.
Well, they're from Tampa.
Oh, okay, yeah.
Yeah. So they have Tampa and Ybor City.
Yeah.
Decorations throughout the restaurant.
Yeah, and we spent a lot of time there, so.
Yeah, I learned that the family relocated from the Tampa area here 20 some odd years ago, set up the restaurant. I think this is this may be the second or third location, but they came up here to Crossville, Tennessee, and opened up this restaurant. And they've been here in the area for about 20 some odd years, providing Cuban cuisine in Crossville, Tennessee.
Yeah.
So we're gonna go check it out and see what all the hype is about Abuela's. We'll figure out the right name, how to pronounce it today when we get inside, because we don't want to screw it up too much. So, Missy, you always say, "Oh, I don't get a chance to say anything." So here's your chance. Say something.
Well, you put me on the spot, and I had no idea what you were talking about. So
don't worry about it. We'll get her to do a food review after we get inside.
Yes.
We're gonna head inside.
Okay. Why do you go so close?
I'm not that close.
You were just a foot away from me.
Go, let's go. We're gonna go check things out here at the busy mall here in Crossville. Missy wanted me to take a picture of something cute, so I'm taking a picture of her.
So no. Look how cute this is.
Look how it's very nice. Let me back up a little bit.
It's like Friday night date night.
It is Friday night date night tonight, isn't it?
Yeah.
We haven't done that in a long time.
I know.
No.
All right. You're done now?
No. I'm still videoing you.
Okay, you're done now?
Okay, I'm done now. All right, so when you come to a Cuban restaurant, the first thing you want is a Mexican beer. So they have Modelo and they have Corona here, but yeah. So no Presidente, none of the Caribbean beers. But hey, you know what? Better than Budweiser. So I had a look around, took some scenery here. It's really nice. This is kind of my kind of art. Would this be Art Deco? No. No, not Art Deco. But anyway, I like this kind of artwork. The cigar boxes and the pictures of Tampa and Ybor City, really, really sharp. And Modelo. All right, so we ordered our food. We got. I ordered the Taste of Tampa, and Missy ordered a Cuban sandwich. So we're just waiting for everything to arrive, and then we'll dig in. So we'll check back in a second once our food arrives. Well, there's only one piece of bread left. Guess where the rest of the bread went?
No.
Right there.
No, I had 2 pieces. This is my second piece. No.
Then there was one.
Don't even.
You know where it went.
Don't. No one's going to believe that.
Look, it's written all over your face. I ate all the bread.
This is my second piece.
Yeah. Well, we know you and delicious bread.
Mm-mm. This isn't delicious bread. It's just good bread.
Good bread? Okay. So it doesn't beat chef's restaurant bread?
No.
No?
Nothing beats that.
Well, look at those big French onion soups.
They're huge.
Wow, they're huge. What do you think of that, Missy?
I'm pretty impressed. Hopefully we'll see how it tastes, but oh my God. Usually you get this tiny little bowl.
Well, we did ask for a bowl.
We did. And it's a bowl.
So first taste?
It's going to be really hot, so I'm just going to wait.
You going to play with it for a little bit?
Yeah.
All right.
Yes, it's gonna be hot.
Oh, there's another beer. Another fine Mexican beer. Is that hot? People won't like it. They'll love it.
They'll love it.
They'll love it.
They'll love it.
So Missy got us these little balls of stuff. What are they? Corn what?
Frittatas.
Corn frittatas.
They kind of like hush puppies though.
Yeah, kind of like hush puppies.
But with a guava sauce.
With a what sauce?
Guava. Guava.
Guava?
Guava. Guava.
What's guava?
Guava with
Guava.
a G. G-U-A-V-A. Guava.
Guava? What's that?
Some kind of fruit.
Some kind of fruit? Oh. Yeah, they're interesting. To say the least. Yeah, I think you'll like it here.
I'm like
Now, what was the name? So, what was the name of the restaurant again?
Ubella's.
Uela's. Yeah, we got it
We
totally.
totally said it wrong.
We got it totally wrong when we came in. Uela. So the B is kind of like a W sound in Spanish, right? I'm not. Obviously, I don't come from a Spanish background, so
That's what she said.
yeah. So the
So it's Ubella's.
Uela's, Crossville, Tennessee, Cuban restaurant. Google search it
At the outlet mall.
at the outlet mall. Search on Google.
That has no outlets.
You'll probably find this video. Come here, check it out. It's only like 2 minutes off Interstate 40. And to be right, once Buc-ee's built, it's right behind Buc-ee's.
Yeah.
So, yeah, we were talking about that last night. How much is the Buc-ee's gonna, when Buc-ee's is open, is that gonna benefit business or is that gonna cause some problems? Because
Well-
the three pigs or the flying pig that we went to, is it
It's
just
right across the
right
road.
across the road from where we were last night.
But a lot of people go to Buc-ee's to eat.
They have good brisket sandwiches.
Yeah. That's the problem.
So it'll be interesting to see how Buc-ee's either enhances the community or causes some problems, but
Yeah.
we'll see. We're just waiting for our food to come, so we're gonna enjoy these little balls of
They're
dough.
hush puppies.
They're like hush puppies, yeah, exactly. They're hush puppies. All right, Missy, explain what you got here.
Cuban sandwich and Yuca Fries.
Yuca Fries. What are Yuca Fries?
So she said they're a bit starchier than French fries and a little bit stringier. But yeah, they taste like odd French fries.
So here's mine. I have the Taste of Tampa. I have pork, steak, and snapper.
Oh, okay.
So it looks really yummy. So we're
It
gonna.
does. And empanadas. And what are those?
I told her to do money plantains, but we got plantains. I'm not a huge plantain fan,
No, that's good.
but let's see what this rice tastes like. You know I'm a big snapper fan. It reminds me of that snapper we had in San Juan when we met up with Alex and Keith.
Yeah.
When they brought out the whole fish. That was
Yeah. Deep fried.
deep fried. That was yummy. Yeah, it was. Didn't know how to eat it, but it was yummy. And then I had snapper at that one restaurant next to Landry's restaurant in Galveston.
Oh,
We
yeah,
sat
yeah,
outside
yeah,
on the
yeah,
deck
yeah,
there.
yeah,
Yeah, that was
yeah.
really good too.
It was a
Next to the guy who owns Landry's yacht. So yummy. All right, so we're gonna enjoy our dinner, and we'll let you know what it's like when we're done. All right, what a great way to end a dinner with a nice cup of espresso. Oh. Yeah, we need taste division. Taste that. Right there. See that? Look how yummy that is. I can't get it on the camera any better than that, but yeah, that looks great. Got a good.
It's very good.
It's got a good body to it.
Strong.
It's not overly strong though.
Even those Yuca Fries, which apparently is cactus, were really good. Like, really good. So much food that I have to take some home.
Well, that's normal.
Yeah.
Everywhere we go, you end up taking stuff home. Yeah, no, that's the way it is. Anyway, I'm gonna finish my coffee. Maybe some coffee and breakfast. No, just kidding. Coffee and sleep pretty soon.
Yeah.
All right, we're gonna check back in on our way out the door. All right, so our dinner at Abuela's is all done. I give it a solid 9 out of 10 for restaurants in Crossville. Definitely got to stop here and eat when you're in Crossville, Tennessee. Now I gotta find my wife and see where she got to. Oh, ho, ho, there she is right there.
Here I am.
And here she is in the smoking section.
Yeah.
So Missy, I gave it a solid 9 out of 10. What do you give it?
I give it a 9.5.
A 9.5.
It was really
Woo,
good.
woo. She doesn't give out 9.5s very often, folks.
No.
So anyway, all right, well, that was a good dinner. I'm stuffed.
I know.
Now we go back to the RV and check out the doggy. So
Yeah.
Abuela's,
Abuela's.
Crossville Mall, Crossville, Tennessee, 9.5 out of 10 from Miss Missy.
Yes.
So you gotta stop here and eat. Off to
Okay.
see the doggies.